is web dev learning, and we are going to learn how to install WordPress and set up it. So basically we have to first install a server on our local machine, that is XAMPP server. XAMPP server is come with a package of localhost server, that is Apache, plus database, that is MariaDB, and backend language, that is PHP and Perl. So but first we have to install XAMPP. For this we can visit to XAMPP server. We can now search like how we can search download XAMPP. Now click on this link. We will redirect to this page. Now we can see here XAMPP for Windows, and there is XAMPP for Linux, XAMPP for iOS. So we are going to install XAMPP for Windows. So here we can see the download, that is 64-bit. Click on this, and the file will downloaded, and after download click on install, and it will be installed. After successful installation, XAMPP control panel will be open. We can see, if we are able to see this control panel, then we can say that it is successfully installed. We can see here that it is Apache, that is our localhost server, and here is the MySQL database and some more. We can start from here. The server will start, and we can click on the MySQL, that will restart our database. So after starting this XAMPP server, we will go to our browser and search localhost / php my admin. Well, it is loading. Now we will going to download the WordPress zip file. Search like download WordPress. Now we'll be redirected to the wordpress.org. Click on this link, and we will land to this page. Now we can find that this download and install. Click on this download WordPress 5.6, that is the latest version, and we can see that. So while it is downloading, go to the php my admin, that is localhost, and while it is downloading, create a new database. So there is the admin panel of php my admin database. So we will click on new. Now we will create a name for database, that we are going to create a database name in test word test. Okay, click on create. We can see that database test has been created. Okay, show you what step we are going to follow. So these are the steps, that is how to install WordPress. This is the first step, that we have installed XAMPP server. Now start XAMPP server. We have started XAMPP server using the XAMPP control panel. And third is the open default browser, then search localhost php admin in address bar, and we have also done this. Localhost, then after php my admin, and this will land to this page. Okay. This is the fourth step, that create database. We have also created a database naming test. We have created this database in php my admin. Now fifth step, that is install WordPress, and we can see that WordPress is downloading, and after downloading this we will set up WordPress, and see that WordPress is installed successfully. And click on this show in folder. Now this is our WordPress. First of all, we will copy this, and now we will go to C, and find the folder where XAMPP is installed. That is we can see there's XAMPP folder. Open it. and in this search look for htdocs. This is, and click this folder and create new file and give this folder as test name. Now open this folder and paste the copied WordPress zip folder here. Now right click and click on extract here. We can wait. Okay, now it is extracted successfully. Now open this WordPress file and copy all the folders. Actually cut all the file in folders, control X, then after back okay, now we will delete this file, delete it, and now paste it here, all the files and folders. Now we'll delete this folder as the content of this folder is already pasted here. Delete this folder. Okay, now we will go to our browser and type localhost, and after the name of the folder that we have created, that is test, and enter. Now this has opened as here the installation of WordPress will start. We have to select the language for which we are going to work, that is English selected already. Continue on this. Going to ask for the written database name, that the database name, that is test. Database username, we have already that. Database password, we know that. Database host and triple prefix if possible. Okay, let's click on let's go. Now it is asking for database name. We have created the database, that is test naming, we can see also here. Okay, this is our database, that is test. This is asking for the username. By default the username for the MySQL PHP my admin is root. We will type that, and by default the password is none, so we will leave this column. And this is asking for database host. Database host is our localhost, we can see here, that is it is localhost. And it is asking for table prefix, leave it blank. Okay, leave it as it is showing. Now click on submit, and it is asking for okay, click on run the installation. And here we go, and it's asking for the details of our site that we are going to create, the details of the website that we are going to create in using our WordPress. So it is asking for site title. We can give it we can give a site title as learning WordPress. Okay, it is asking for username. Okay, give it like this, admin, or you can give it anything. It is asking, and it is asking for password. We will give it admin. Okay, this is the username and password that we will use while logging into WordPress. So whatever you are going to keep this, remember. Okay, now we are going to confirm use of weak password. Okay, your email. Okay, now in this we are going to provide our email, and this is important. In case we forgot password, we can reset using this email. We are going to give our email. Okay, okay, we have given the email, and okay, search engine visibility. Okay, click on this. Okay, now click on install WordPress. it will take some moment, as we can say that the WordPress is successfully installing in our localhost. So keep waiting. Okay, now success, it is showing the message of success, that is WordPress has been installed, thank you. And it is giving username and the password that we have chosen. Okay, now click on login. Now this is the login panel of WordPress of our site, and we can log in using username or email and the password we have set. Okay, we can log in using our username and the password that we have set. Okay, you can click on remember this. Okay, now click on login. Okay, now it will open in some moment. Yeah, we can see that we have successfully installed WordPress in our localhost, and this is the dashboard of WordPress, from where we can create our website or blog or e-commerce site and anything. So if you are able to see this dashboard, then we can say that WordPress has successfully installed. And we can also visit our site that is created by WordPress as a sample site. Yeah, this is the sample site that WordPress gives us already created. Now we can go to our dashboard. So this is all the process for installing WordPress in our local system. In now next video, we are going to discuss about the WordPress and the features of WordPress and components of WordPress, and how to work and create sites, WooCommerce sites, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.